All right, this construction is there's two constructions here and the 1B notes. This first one is the point equidistant to 3 points, also called circumscribed circle, because when you get done, you can make a circle. It'll go through each of the 3 points. If you're using the workbook, it is on page 9. If you're doing the notes digitally, it's in our Google Classroom folder. You would look for the 1B, Module 1, Topic 1B notes. And if you're doing it on paper, you would just want to put point equidistant to 3 points, circumscribe circle, and then give yourself 3 points here to work with. Okay, so the main thing you want to make sure you jot down here for point equidistant to 3 points is that whenever you're doing this construction, what you're doing is you're constructing the 3 perpendicular bisectors. So we did perpendicular bisectors yesterday. We're just basically going to do that 3 different times here for our construction for equidistant to 3 points. So I think I started with CB here. So that would be, again, we don't have compasses, we're just doing this freehand, but if I did have a compass, I could put my middle point at C and make this arc, and then make this arc. Then put my middle point at B and make this arc and this arc. And then through these 2 intersecting arcs, that's where I would draw my perpendicular bisector. All right, now I'm going to do that for BA. Okay, same thing. If I imagine putting my middle point here and making an arc here and an arc here, and then putting my middle point here, making an arc and making an arc. So I'm just going to do the same thing here between A and B. And then lastly, I'm going to do it for AC. Again, same thing. If I imagine putting my middle point here, arc above, arc below, and then imagine putting my middle point here, arc above, arc below. And then that's where I would draw my 3rd perpendicular bisector. So very similar to what we did yesterday with perpendicular bisector. You're just doing it, 3 times in one diagram. The point here where they all cross, that is the point that is the same distance to A as it is to B and as it is to C. So this point right here, if I stand at this orange dot here and I walk to A, walk to B, walk to C, I'd be going the same distance. And again, the reason this is called circumscribed circle is because if I was to put my middle point here, I could make a circle that goes around and it would hit A, B, and C.